Good evening friends, myself Dr. Shivaji Pole, endovascular specialist in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I am Associate Professor MGM Medical College, Aurangabad. Today we will talk about the aortic aneurysm. It is a very emergency condition, as you know, because it is a main aorta which is supplying to the body. So, aortic aneurysm, when there is a dilatation of the aorta, abnormal dilatation, more than 50% size of the normal, then it is called as aneurysm. So, aorta is divided into 3 to 4 parts like ascending aorta, then arch of aorta, then descending aorta and lumbar abdominal aorta, and this is the main blood supply to the body, start from the heart. So, when there is a dilatation abnormal more than 50% of the normal diameter is called as aneurysm. And this condition is very emergency, very serious and very deadly, as you know, because this carry a lot of blood is there, and when it is a rupture immediately death is possible. So, that is why today we will discuss few things about the aortic aneurysm. So, what are the risk factors for this? So, vasculitis, then cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, diabetes, smoking, family history, and as we described the vasculitis, when we should go for a testing, you know the cardiovascular disease as such, it can involve in the cardiac, neuro and peripheral artery disease. So, when there is a chest pain or any bulge in the abdomen, that can definitely it is a symptomatic presentation, but routinely we can go for screening of the aortic abdominal aorta by ultrasound or thoracic aorta by CT. So, those patients are having cardiovascular disease, they are having more chances of abdominal aortic aneurysm, and those patients having the hypertension, because that is a risk factor. As we see, for elasticity of the aortic wall decreases from above downwards. So, it is the aneurysm more common in the distal part, and that is the risk factors. So, what are the screening tests for this? As we described, the CT in the thoracic or arch of aorta and ultrasonography for abdominal aorta. When there is a growth of 0.5 to 1 centimeter per year, then definitely, and if it is more than 5 centimeter size of the aneurysm, then it needs an urgently or emergency treatment. So, what are the treatment liner? What are the treatment options? So, there are, that is a CVTS, cardiovascular surgeon can treat this condition, or endovascular specialist can treat this condition. Cardiovascular surgeon can treat by open surgery, it is called as aortic repair surgery by bypass. So, we will discuss today the endovascular approach. Endovascular approach is a newer technology which does not require to open the aorta, because it is a minimal invasive technique. So, we are treating by using the stent graft. It is a cover stent, and we are putting, for example, this is the descending thoracic aneurysm. We can treat this by stent graft. Size and diameter we can calculate it from the CT scan, and then decide which device is the most suitable for this condition. So, we can put the stent graft and close the aneurysm and maintain the forward flow. This is called as aortic aneurysm stent graft or aortic aneurysm repair. This is same like we can treat abdominal aortic aneurysm also similarly. So, in short, the endovascular technique is a novel or boon for this patient, because it does not require to open the abdomen or open the aorta as such, and close by the cover stent graft, as it is a minimal invasive technique. So, by this technique we have saved many lives of aortic aneurysm patient, and as this is an emergency condition, whenever there is a history of cardiovascular disease or associated family history, or those patients undergone for bypass, please rule out the aortic aneurysm. How to rule out? Just for ultrasound or CT scan. No another test is required for that. If there is any dilatation of the aorta, we can consult to the specialist, and when there is a needed further test and treatment we can discuss, and we can save the lives. Thank you so much, dear friends. We in short we have described today the aortic aneurysm and its management. Thank you so much.